Make that sound effect.
School supplies edition.
That is so good. Okay, that's so good.
Pretty good. I like that.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I watched this girl on YouTube Shorts named Paige Silva.
That was pretty good. Just so many clicks.
I was being the annoying kid in the back. You're so nice to me.
There was some tongue roll in there. Yeah.
Meow.
You want to go first?
Oh, I did it already. Unless you want me to do it
yeah,
again.
I forgot.
I can do it again. She said that was so bad. Can you go again? She said, okay, now actually do it.